have everything set up ready to make my grubby candles. But look at this. So I stopped at a yard sale today and these were in the free bin. Butter and love. Now who doesn't want a recipe book with recipes that are filled with butter and love? But look at the little, so cute. And then the other thing I got in the same bin that was free is the Better Homes and Gardens Encyclopedia of Cooking Volume 1. So, you know, I love to look through recipe books, and so that's going to be fun. But let's get on to the grubby candle making. So first of all, this is what I'm hoping to. I'm going to show you my inspiration and then what I'm going to use. But this was actually kind of pricey, but it's very grubby. See all the texture? This is on a timer as well, so it's a great candle. These actually have remotes. Now the difference is this is plastic. These I'm going to have to work with. This has a wax. This is a wax candle. But I love the flickering look of it. And then I have this pillar candle. And again, it's waxy too. So this is the inspiration for the pillar candles. Those are the candles I'm using. These are the candles that I thrifted from the cat rescue, the whole bag for 50 cents in my last video. But my hopes is to make them look more like this candle here with the grubby nubs. And so that is my inspiration. This is my inspiration. This is the product I'm using, so the before. And here I have candlesticks, battery operated LED candlesticks. So this is the inspiration piece. And this is the plastic candle that I want to grubby up. So here's the before. And this is the inspiration piece. Now here is everything that I'm using. I'm going to be using instant coffee, I have ground cinnamon, and this you can get, I got all of this at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using ground nutmeg. And I bought a bottle of brown craft paint, acrylic craft paint. I wasn't sure if I wanted to paint the base of the plastic a dark color or not, so I got that just in case. And then Mod Podge. Did not get this at the Dollar Tree, but you can get it at craft stores, and they may sell it there, I just don't know. But I'm using the matte finish, because I don't want the end product to be shiny. I want it to be matte. And then I have a paintbrush here to blob on the grubby mixture, and a piece of paper to protect my countertop. So again, all the items, I'll take some before and after pictures to show at the end of the video. And then this was just, you know, to mix up the mixture into styrofoam cup. All right, I'm kind of excited about this. So hopefully this turns out. I have plenty of, you know, opportunities, plenty of things to use to try this effect on. So I'm excited to get this started.